Unlocking the Language. Understanding, Test Booklet. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a term that's common in educational contexts: test booklet. Whether you're a student, teacher, or just curious, understanding this phrase is key to navigating academic settings. A test booklet is a collection of test questions printed in a small book or pamphlet. It's used by students during an exam to read questions and sometimes to mark answers. It's important not to confuse this with an answer sheet, where you would record your final answers. Test booklets serve several functions in exams. They standardize the testing process by ensuring all students receive the same questions, in the same order, under the same conditions. It's also a secure way to distribute exam content, reducing the risk of cheating. When you're given a test booklet, read instructions carefully and scan through all the pages to ensure there are no printing errors. It's also wise to manage your time efficiently, so you don't spend too long on one section. And there you have it, a simple guide to understanding test booklet. We hope this video sheds light on your path to mastering the English language. Keep learning, and until next time, happy studying.